Okay, so when we want to multiply a two-digit number by a single-digit number such as this, we could use the box method, and we do that by simply partitioning the number, right? So in this case, 28, okay, can be written as 20 and 8. What I mean by partition, we're breaking it up in terms of its tens and units. So we've got 2 tens, 8 units. We could write the number as 20 and 8. Now 7 is already, it's just a unit, isn't it? So there's no tens there, so we can just write single value for it here. What's good about breaking this up is then we can go to each box in this grid and we can perform a multiplication quite simply, and we'll get our answer in a straightforward way. So in this box here, right, all I need to do is, with this box, is look above and I've got 20, okay? And look to the left and I've got 7. And I just need to multiply those two. So I need to do 7 times 20. Okay, and that's actually really easy in a way, because all you need to do is work out 7 times 2, isn't it? You know, forget about the 0. 7 times 2, that comes to 14. And then the 0 that we forgot about is there. Make sure we add that in at the end, so you get 140. This box then, here, okay, well, look above, you've got 8. Look to the left, on this side here, you've got 7, right? So the two numbers that you're going to multiply this time are 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. And to get our final answer, all you need to do then is add up those two calculations. Okay, line them up to the right hand side, so the units are lined up, the tens are lined up, and the hundreds are lined up. Here you've got 6, okay, 0 and 6 is 6, 4 and 5 is 9, and then you've got the 1 there on its own. There's a 0 there, so 1 plus 0 is 1. My answer is 196. Okay. Now, there's an alternative way of doing this. All right. You don't have to necessarily set out a box when you're multiplying by a single digit. What you could do, right, very similar approach to the box method, is you could just partition, but write them in a list. Okay. So you could do 20 times 7 like this, and 8 times 7. So you're actually breaking up 28 that way, listing it in an orderly fashion. So you get the same answers as we've got before, 140, 56, add them up, and you get 196, just as we had a moment ago. Even simpler, you could, 28 times 7, okay, you could split it up so that you've got 10 times 7, another 10, of course, times 7. Now that would give me 20, wouldn't it? 20 lots of 7, 10 times 7, and another 10 lots of 7 is 20 lots of 7, and of course 8 lots of 7. So we're working it out, splitting up 10 times 7 is 70, of course another 10 times 7 is 70, and then 56. Add them up, and you will get your same answer as before. This will add up to 19, so 9, and then carry the 1, of course. We move that over there, and we get 196.